Wanna learn how to empty Google Drive trash bin? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorial Spawn. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So to empty your Google Drive trash bin, first of all, go to your Google Drive and open up the app just like this. Get logged in with your own account that you want to clear a trash bin of. Get into home section just like this. Now, tap on these three straight horizontal lines in the top left corner to find an option of trash below offline. You can see that items are deleted forever after 30 days, and I want to delete it before 30 days and empty it. So for that, you can select both of them just like this, and then tap on the three dotted vertical lines on the top right corner and tap on delete forever. You can see 2 items will be deleted forever, and this can be undone. Tap on delete forever. So just by doing it, you have successfully removed all of the files from your Google Drive trash bin. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.